Staying ahead means mastering a combination of firepower, mobility, and protection, and few vehicles balance these elements better than the infantry fighting vehicle. Throughout the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, IFVs have played a pivotal role on both sides of the conflict. Ukraine has relied on a mix of Soviet-era IFVs and Western-supplied vehicles to bolster its forces. Meanwhile, Russia has leaned heavily on its domestically produced fleet, particularly its formidable BMP-3, a vehicle that continues to prove itself on the battlefield. So how good is this IFV? And how has this battle-hardened vehicle maintained its reputation as one of Russia's most versatile combat assets? Let's break it down. On March 19, 2025, Army Recognition reported that Rosoboronexport revealed the latest version of the BMP-3, showcasing a range of upgrades aimed at improving its firepower, mobility, and protection. The enhanced BMP-3 now features reinforced armor, an active protection system, and autonomous operation capabilities, upgrades that collectively provide the vehicle with a stronger edge in modern combat scenarios. These advancements are designed to improve the BMP-3's ability to withstand threats, while enhancing its operational flexibility on the battlefield. Just days later, on March 18th, reports confirmed that several other Russian armored vehicles had received similar upgrades. Alongside the BMP-3, vehicles such as the BMP-2, BMP-1, BMD-4M, and BTR-MDM had also been outfitted with enhanced protection systems that had been tested and proven effective in real combat conditions. To bolster their survivability, these vehicles have been equipped with upper hemisphere protection kits, designed to counter aerial threats such as drone-dropped munitions and top-attack weapons. These kits are designed for quick installation and removal, allowing crews to adapt rapidly to changing battlefield conditions. Additionally, anti-cumulative grids have been added to reduce the impact of high-explosive anti-tank warheads, while armored screens provide an extra layer of defense against shrapnel, small arms fire, and explosive blasts. Beyond physical armor, these upgraded vehicles now feature electronic warfare systems designed to disrupt enemy drones and interfere with targeting systems. Furthermore, these IFVs have been equipped with signature reduction kits, specialized synthetic covers with thermal insulation and radar-absorbing properties that reduce the vehicle's visibility to enemy sensors. These comprehensive upgrades are a clear effort to enhance the survivability and combat effectiveness of Russia's armored fleet, ensuring these vehicles remain capable of withstanding the evolving threats faced in modern warfare. The performances of BMP-3 are not just theoretical, they've been put to the test. On February 9, 2025, Russia's Ministry of Defense released footage showing BMP-3 crews demonstrating their skills during live-fire exercises. The video displayed crews engaging targets from 500 to 4,000 meters, firing while stationary and on the move. The BMP-3's precision and stability in these drills underscored its impressive battlefield capabilities. The BMP-3 is equipped with a formidable range of weapons that allow it to take on multiple roles in combat. Its primary armament includes a 100mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing high-explosive rounds, fragmentation shells, and anti-tank guided missiles, giving the vehicle the flexibility to engage both infantry and armored targets. Supporting the main gun is a 30mm autocannon, ideal for engaging light vehicles and suppressing enemy positions. A 7.62mm machine gun provides additional fire support for dealing with infantry threats. Beyond its impressive firepower, the BMP-3 is built for speed and maneuverability. Its tracked chassis enables it to move efficiently across rugged terrains, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. This agility allows infantry units to reposition quickly, making the BMP-3 effective in both offensive assaults and tactical withdrawals. Adding to its versatility is the BMP-3's amphibious capability, allowing it to cross rivers and lakes without prior preparation. This feature is especially valuable in regions where natural water barriers can otherwise slow military advances. For protection, the BMP-3's composite armor provides resistance against small arms fire and light anti-tank weapons, ensuring the safety of its 7 onboard infantry. The addition of an active protection system further enhances survivability by intercepting incoming threats before they reach the vehicle. The BMP-3 has repeatedly demonstrated its effectiveness in real combat scenarios throughout the Russia-Ukraine war. On November 29, 2024, BMP-3 crews from the Yug group of forces played a key role in blocking Ukrainian troop rotations near Kurakovo. By delivering heavy fire support, BMP-3 units prevented Ukrainian forces from reinforcing positions and resupplying frontline troops. In another notable engagement on September 17, 2024, BMP-3 crews from the Zapad group identified and neutralized enemy positions using UAV reconnaissance data. The crews quickly moved into firing positions and struck Ukrainian infantry concentrations, showcasing the BMP-3's ability to deliver precise, coordinated strikes. On August 31, 2024, BMP-3 units were seen supporting motorized rifle units during a large-scale offensive. BMP-3s successfully destroyed camouflaged observation posts and an AFU manpower cluster, further demonstrating their effectiveness in providing suppressive fire for advancing Russian forces. The BMP-3's capabilities have attracted significant interest from foreign buyers. Russia's export of the BMP-3 has played a key role in strengthening military ties with nations across the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. For many countries seeking to modernize their armored forces, the BMP-3 offers an appealing alternative to Western-built IFVs. Its strong combination of firepower, mobility, and adaptability makes it a valuable asset for armed forces operating in diverse environments. The BMP-3 has proven itself as a versatile and powerful asset on the modern battlefield. With its upgraded armor, enhanced firepower, and improved tactical awareness systems, the BMP-3 continues to evolve to meet the demands of modern warfare. Its battlefield performance in Ukraine has demonstrated its value in both offensive and defensive roles, while its growing presence on the global arms market reinforces Russia's influence in military technology. As new threats emerge and battlefield tactics evolve, will the BMP-3's advancements be enough to maintain its edge? Only time will tell. But for now, this battle-proven IFV continues to shape the outcome of modern conflicts. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.